Okay, so as we know, we are going to the second phase of Dart programming, and in this phase, we are discussing about different data types of Dart. So we have discussed string, integer, double, and list, and we have discussed Boolean data type. So this is the last phase, last lecture of second phase of Dart programming language, and in this phase, we will discuss about maps. Maps are similar to a list, and as we know, a list is used to store the elements in array form. So array and list are same things. In other programming language we use array, but in Dart we use list. So list and array are same thing. So basically map is used to store the value in form of key pairs. So every object in the map has a specific key. For example, if I declared here a name Ali or a John name, so here the John is represented by the key name. So in this way maps would work. So every object in the map will have a specific key. So it's up to you what you are going to declaring the key of the object. So here now let's discuss about how to use maps in Dart. So here its syntax is little bit different than others. Same as we have to declare void main function first, and then map, and in map I will write string. So basically I want to declare a map in which way I want to use a string data type, string and object. So here the name of my map is student. I want to make a map for student. So student is equal to, sorry, I here we don't need to use is equal to, and then here. So now let's add key pairs of our map. So here I will write first name, and then name, for example name is John, and the second, this is a first pair which is specifying the name. As you can see here, a John, and John is specifying by name. So this is actually our John is our object, and object has a key, and key is represented by name. So the next pair is age, and his age would be 25, and the next thing is profession or status. So student status is student, and the last thing, we can add up to our specific needs. We can add up to multiple elements, 50, 60, 10 or 5. It's up to you that how many elements are you are going to add in the map. There is no limit in the map. So status, and then we will write class. So here I will write 12th grade. Okay, 12th grade, and print it out. So this is actually a body of map. Okay, so after the body of map, print map. So our map name has student, and print here, press F5. So here you can see our map has been printed. It is similar to a list, but in list we just printed out the elements, whereas in map we print the elements with these key pairs. So this is the basic syntax of map. Here we have declared a main function, and then the syntax of map is starting from map. Map is actually, if you see here, a collection of key value pairs from which you retrieve a value using its associated key. So there is a finite number of keys in the map, and each has the exactly one value associated with it. So for example, here if I have declared a name, then I must declare the value of name. So if I do not declare the value of specific key, then it will show the error. For example, here see, if I declare father name and do not declare the associated value, then it will return error. So here I colon is represented that I will write the value of father name, which is a key of which is a key in the map. So if I do not declare the initialize the value of father name, then it will create an error. It will not run our program. So we have to declare the initialize the key value key of every map. So initialize the key by adding its value. So here I will write the value of father name is John Macon. So if I execute it, it will show the output. So here you can see